Hello, and welcome to yet another 5D Lifestyles video. We've talked about whey. There was a video about whey a great many years ago. Lately, we've been getting into making Greek yogurt. That's right. What is the difference between Greek yogurt and regular yogurt? Thickness. How do you make Greek yogurt more thick? Well, you separate out the whey, and how you do that is you just strain it. Just similar to the cream cheese if you saw the whey video. What I'm talking about is double fermenting your whey. Why do I call it double fermenting? Because it's already been fermented once going through the yogurt process. So it's a little bit probiotic when you get it out of the yogurt. But then, it's the easiest thing to make. Just put it in a jar. Put that whey in a jar and then close the lid, airtight, and just let it sit there for a week. You can let it go more. It gets so effervescent and wonderful. Fill it as high to the top as you can get it. You know it's even a better kind of jar to do it in? Like a jar like this, the reason why is because there's even less chance of air. Because the less air you have in here, less chance of getting like that little white yeast on the top. If you do get a little white yeast on the top, not the end of the world, just strain it off, you can drink it. But let's check this out. Okay. Can you see that?
Ooh, bubbly.
Can you see the bubbles? Can you see that?
They can.
They can?
They can. They can.
It's beautiful.
I want some.
Bubbly. Delicious. Drink. It's really good. Full of vitamins and minerals. When you double ferment it, probably actually a lot more probiotics. All right, well, thanks for watching. Simple video about a simple, delicious, nutritious probiotic product that you can make at home.
Don't throw away your whey.
Ooh, there's the pun. Good one. You got one? You got a pun? Come on.
How about this one? You can ferment your own way. Ferment your own way.
You're gonna roll two in a row. Oh, we need a third to round it out.
I'm out.
How about it's either fermented whey or the highway. Huh?
You only have to wait 1 week. No? Kinda? No?
I'm going to weigh in on this and say yes way. No way, yes way. Or what about a Mexican version? Este es el chingón way.
She's on a roll!
Wait a minute. No, you wait a minute.
I'll wait. In my mouth. All right. That's enough whey for today.
No!
Maybe later. Thanks for tuning in. Patrons, thanks for supporting. You are helping out our way in life.
You're making it way easier to make these videos.
Gosh, you're just really good today.